Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the all new Blink Outdoor 4. Now this is the new one that comes with the Sync module core, so it is a little bit different than the previous Blink Outdoor 4. Now the cameras do stay the same, but the only difference will be this part. What I ended up getting is the 2-pack. So we got the camera right on top. As I mentioned, the camera itself does stay the same. So this will be the latest generation. They also had Blink Outdoor 3. This would be the Blink Outdoor 4. And I absolutely love this camera. And then also inside you will be getting a little bit more items. So you get the mounting kit. Now the way this works is you're gonna end up screwing in a couple screws here, and now all you have to do is just attach the camera to the back. Simple as that, very easy process. You also do get 2 AA batteries, and this will be to remove the to the back. So all you have to do is just unscrew this, pop in the battery, and that's it. All right, so here we go with the Blink Sync module core. So it definitely looks a lot different than the previous one, Blink Sync module 2. All right, so inside here, power adapter, and then we have USB Type A to USB-C cable. Now here is the previous one that came with the Blink Outdoor 4. So this will be Sync Module 2. This one allows the local cloud storage. So you can end up plugging the USB stick and storing files locally. Now, if you do have their Blink subscription, there really isn't any need for the local storage, even though I do have it, but I never end up using local storage. I do like their Blink subscription plan and the cloud storage. Now, even though this doesn't support local storage, but you can still end up getting local storage with the Sync Module 2 or the Sync Module XR. So it really doesn't matter. You can get that additionally. Now, when it comes to the camera specs, 1080p resolution, it does have real-time notifications, which is definitely one of the better things. Every time somebody even goes up my stairs, I get a notification right away. So that was my quick unboxing and overview of the Blink Outdoor 4. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.